Well, here's looking to the forecast center, just like they were saying. We're going to use this model one more time, at least for this one. It looks like 11 a.m. could be where we're seeing the more moderate to heavy showers, specifically for Oahu. This is a bit of a wider look than our last hit for you, but the same timeline. So we've got the entire island chain, but you could see that band of moisture shortly after about 9 o'clock a.m. We have that break here until about 11 a.m. That's when we're expecting more of the rain showers. We'll even try to go back one more time and show you that as we head out. By this evening, though, you'll see pretty consistently more of the light to moderate rain from about 4 p.m. at least moving forward and through to the evening. And even for Molokai and Lanai, they're going to get a really nice break of no rain, it looks like, by 6 p.m. tonight. But for the westerly islands, that won't really come until about early tomorrow morning, about 1 to 2 o'clock a.m. You'll start to see those leeward areas with an actual clean break. I'd say the green here is more of the light showers, and then more moderate would be the yellow. And then, of course, as those colors increase, the red is where we're seeing the heaviest. And thankfully, the storm, for the most part, has broken apart south of the islands, and we are still getting those impacts, but just not as extreme as what it was for Hawaii Island all day yesterday. Still moving about 14 miles per hour, now about 75 miles per hour. Directly almost south of Oahu, we've got Tropical Storm Lala with sustained winds now at 65 miles per hour through early tomorrow morning. Doesn't look like her sustained winds at this hour will change for about the next 12 hours in terms of these increments, but she is expected to strengthen as she gets closer to the international date line. That'll be about midweek next week, this week rather, Tuesday into Wednesday. So here's a quick look at some of the track now. You can see the bands of moisture, the outer bands from that far right quadrant that's more towards the interior islands now, still slightly hitting Hawaii Island right about there. So Big Island still not quite in the clear. Unfortunately, they were seeing upwards of from 25 inches of rain or more for the islands, even 35 inches for some areas. Today for Oahu, we're still expecting between about 4 to 6, and pretty similar for Kauai County. Now, the weather and marine alerts haven't changed quite yet since we last spoke. So far, we still have the flash flood warning in effect for Oahu, flood advisory for Hawaii Island, flood watch for the western half of the state, high surf advisory issued really for all of the east surf, upwards of 12 feet or more for the east-facing surf and about 8 for the south. Tropical storm warning that's also in effect for the western half of the islands as well. Now, in terms of the winds, we're currently seeing about mid-30s now for Honolulu. That's just for the major cities. We're still expecting the gusts to be even more, maybe even 50-mile-per-hour gusts. Winds for some areas, for the low-lying areas, 40 miles per hour. Peaks and summits yesterday of the Big Island saw 90 miles per hour upward, even to the hundreds. So at least for the western half of the state, definitely a lot less. But you could see some of the winds here. That's going to be the lower end of the winds. Kauai County now starting to see a bit more, about 30 to about 40 mile per hour winds on average. And again, that's going to be increased for some of the channels there and some of the low-lying areas. Rain recently, we're going to take a look here at the last about hour moving forward into the next couple of hours. This is going to be a quick time lapse for you, deep island to island. Nice zoomed in look here. I'd say the next couple of hours for Kauai County will be the best time to prepare as you're starting to get the outer bands of the rain, but the stronger winds. So if you haven't prepared already, just be prepared for the rain showers because you'll get the worst of it a little bit after about 1 p.m. this afternoon. But stay inside if you can because the winds there seem to be the strongest now ahead of this storm. Oahu, for you, widespread wet weather. I'd say more so for the north end and eastern end. You could see there's a quick break there for the leeward coast and south end of the island here in Honolulu, just favoring the cloud coverage. Quick break in some of the rain showers from Waianae, Makakilo, even Ewa Beach, thankfully, and central Oahu. But again, more widespread as we head into about the next hour and a half. And then for Maui County, Molokai and Lanai has the brunt of the rain now, but by this afternoon, you'll finally get a break. Maui areas like Hana still seems like they've got more of the reds and the yellows, so more moderate to then heavy. Lighter end will be for Lahaina as of right now for the west coast. And then for Hawaii Island, finally, you could see the bands of moisture moving towards the west, giving Hawaii Island pretty much a break there, especially along the Kailua Kona coast. Should be at least a little bit sunnier over there, and also Hilo. Now, this is what you need to know moving forward, at least for today. As we head into the next several hours, again, Oahu from now through about 1 p.m. will have the worst of it, and then for Kauai County late this afternoon through the evening hours. By Monday, we'll just get the sporadic, scattered, maybe even just some isolated pockets of some moisture. Could potentially hear and get some thunderstorms post-wet weather. So don't be surprised if you hear some of the thunderstorms late this evening for Kauai County. I'd say Tuesday, though, that's when we're expecting more of the sun will favor more of the clouds cloud coverage on Monday, and we're still expecting some remnants and fragments pretty much all week long, just very lightly. Some days we'll get a little bit more now, it looks like, on the future radar. So you could see some spotty rain showers as we head into the next couple of days for this 7-day forecast. But after Tuesday, we should be in recovery mode. We'll get more sunshine, then of course the better conditions and the drier trends.